Let's take a look at how to take care of your clear armor installation after the first 72 hours. Make sure not to use your windshield wipers for the first 72 hours of installation of the clear armor. This will allow the film to cure and adhere to the front of your windshield and allow for maximum chip and scratch resistance. You want to avoid extreme weather, rough roads, car washes, or high pressure water, or any type of high heat. Make sure to use washer fluid with your windshield wipers and never use the windshield wipers without any washer fluid. When cleaning your clear armor, fill a spray bottle with distilled water, add a few drops of Johnson & Johnson baby soap, secure the top, give it a good shake, and you're ready to clean. Immediately clean any debris and make sure to use your soap solution and a microfiber cloth. You should avoid any sharp objects, hard brushes, harsh chemicals, and a lot of your blue window cleaners contain ammonia, which you want to avoid using on your clear armor. Use an ammonia-free cleaner to clean your windshield wiper blades. You want to take a microfiber cloth after you've sprayed them down with that ammonia-free cleaner and go ahead and wipe down any type of residue, just so we're not having any dirt buildup or debris or oils, any salt, so that it's not scratching the front of your clear armor. We recommend replacing your blades if you hear or see any of the following: streaking, smearing, chattering, or scratching. We definitely recommend to replace your blades with silicone-based blades. Those will last a lot longer and they'll reduce the amount of scratching. This concludes Rock Rose Films' recommended installation guide for your clear armor after 72 hours of installation.